Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're in the bathroom today. I'm going to be sharing an evening skincare routine with you guys. The main start of the show is going to be the Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. Whee! If you watched my previous video, the video before last, then you will know all about my Banish unboxing and my first impressions. Banish Skincare kindly gifted me their Banish starter kit, and guys, I loved pretty much everything. I think there was just the cleanser that I wasn't too sure about, but on the whole, I loved everything. I was filming that video for like 2 hours, like 2.5 hours. There was a lot to edit and I ended up cutting out and editing that video down quite a lot. The video was already like 30 minutes anyway, so it was already super long, but I wasn't able to keep in as much stuff as I had wanted to. So I thought that to make up for that, I would film a couple separate videos on a few of the products that were standout products to me that I really liked, just because I wasn't able to fully give as much time and attention to every product as I would have liked. So today's video is the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. So Banish Skincare is an independent US California-based skincare company whose products are aimed at people with acne-prone skin, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, inflammation, breakouts, all of that stuff. They want you to feel and look good in the skin that you're in, whilst also helping to tackle a couple of those issues. I talk a lot more about Banish and the background and all of that stuff in my previous video, so make sure you watch that after this video if you want to find out more. Banish also gave me a discount code. Whee! Because paying full price for skincare is so 2019. Oh my god. So if you spend over $50, then you can get $5 off with my code ACNE. So if you're interested in any of the products that I feature in this video, just click the link down below in my description and shop till you drop. Anyway guys, I need to go and have a shower, so please make sure you remember to like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends. And without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So before we get into the masking, I do have the website up. So I've got their website up and I've got a lot of stuff on the website. So I want to read through everything on the website just to give you a closer look. Okay, so this Pumpkin Enzyme Mask retails for $39, and what it says on the website is a 15-minute exfoliating mask inspired by nature to reveal your best skin. Formulated with natural pumpkin enzymes, AHAs and glycolic acid to improve skin clarity. Face the world with confidence no matter what stage of your skin journey you're in. It's a customer favorite for good reason. So they say that this exfoliating face mask is for oily skin, combination skin, dry skin and normal skin, so pretty much all skin types. So they say that this pumpkin enzyme mask exfoliates skin with AHAs, reduces oily skin appearance, reduces congested skin to help clear your pores, it improves dullness, improves skin clarity and skin tone. Now the key ingredients in this pumpkin mask are vitamin C and beta carotene, and these are antioxidants that fight to defend against pollutants, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and they help improve firmness. This also has alpha hydroxy acids, and these are exfoliators which fight to brighten the skin and they show off your healthy glowy skin underneath. So I guess that's the glycolic acid in here. And they say that this pumpkin enzyme mask is made fresh to order and they deliver worldwide. They do deliver worldwide, guys. And like all of Banish's products, this is made without parabens, sulfates, silicones, dyes, fragrance. This is vegan and cruelty free. So if you are vegan, you're looking for cleaner beauty, more conscious skincare products, then Banish in general, but also this mask is a great place to start. Yeah, so I really enjoyed using the mask. The first time I tried it, when did I first use this? So I first used this 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so I filmed that Banish video like 2 weeks ago, like a week and a half ago, and first impressions, I really loved it. It does smell of pumpkin. I love pumpkin. This reminds me of a pumpkin soup. If you don't like pumpkin, you're allergic to pumpkin, then I would probably just avoid this, because this is kind of as pumpkin as you get without getting a real pumpkin. So you can really tell that it is made fresh, and the thing is, like, it is really tingly. I can definitely feel the tingle. Last time I felt the tingle on my hand as well as on my face, but it's a gentle tingle. It's nothing too crazy, nothing like that. And I think When it comes to skincare, we all love a tingle because we like knowing that things are working, and I think tingles are just synonymous with products working. So I'm going to be using this. I'm not dressed appropriately at all. Funnily enough, I'm wearing like the same outfit that I wore when I filmed my first Banish video. So I'm going to take off my jumper and then I'm going to put on the mask, and I'm going to tie my hair back because obviously I don't want the mask in my hair. Yeah, so I'm back. I've just gotten changed, well not changed, I've just taken off my jumper. I've cleansed my face, I've got to do that first. I actually cleansed my face with the Banish All Clear Mint Cleanser. Since I filmed my first Banish unboxing first impressions video, I have been using this cleanser morning and night. Well, for the most part I've been using it morning and night, but every so often I'll mix it up and I'll use another cleanser. Surprisingly to me, I actually quite like this cleanser now. If you watched my first video, then you'll know that I didn't really like it that much. I mean, I liked it, but it wasn't that impressive. And while it's still not that revolutionary, I do like it a lot more than I liked it the first time I used it. It lathers up really well, and the first time I used it, it didn't really lather so much. But literally since that first time, it's been lathering up really well. So now that my face is cleansed, I'm going to go in with this pumpkin enzyme mask. It says that you're supposed to apply a thin layer onto clean skin, and you need to let dry for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash off. So that's what we're gonna do. My face is feeling a bit wet, so I'm just gonna just pat it dry to make sure that it's all dry. And then I'm gonna go in and put this on. So face is dry, time to go in with the pumpkin mask. While I put on the pumpkin mask, I'm going to read out a few things on the website just to give you some more information on the mask, its benefits, and all of that good stuff. Even if you don't have acne, this mask will be great for exfoliating, softening, brightening, and toning skin. This exfoliates skin without harsh scrubbing. It's made with a blend of raw pumpkin, lemon, orange, glycolic acid, bilberry fruit extract, and ginger root to deliver renewing and radiance boosting ingredients directly to the skin. Vitamin C and beta carotene increases skin firmness and reduces the appearance of fine lines. When you apply, expect to feel a tingle. This is normal, and that's just the enzymes doing its job to remove surface dead skin cells. When you rinse the mask off, skin should look soft and refreshed without irritation. I've just finished putting that on. Guys, if you could smell this mask, it smells so good. It's literally... The thing is, it does also smell a bit like raisins, and I said in my last video I don't like raisins, but I can overlook the raisiny smell because, oh my god, it's funny because I can really feel it tingling. Before I just talk and talk and talk, let me put on my timer real quick. So my timer is on, I've just put it on for 20 minutes. I'm gonna sit and chat for a while. The thing is, I think when you use this face mask with the face wash, it feels a lot more tingly because the face wash is kind of menthol, kind of like a peppermint kind of feeling to it. So when you put on this face mask, it feels more like tingly, whereas I think if I use my fresh soy face cleanser with this face mask, I don't think it would be as tingly. So I think the mint cleanser makes this work a bit deeper, if that makes sense. But this is definitely tingly. This time when I put it on, as you saw, I was massaging it a bit into my skin, and I think that has kind of made it tingle a bit more, just because I was properly like working it into the skin and not just leaving it on my skin. Sometimes, depending on your skin, I think sometimes it can help to massage it in a bit, but obviously if you've got super sensitive skin or acne, but like active acne on your skin, then I probably wouldn't like massage it into your skin in case it caused irritation. But it is nice to just rub it in to help it work a bit. It does have really fine granules in it, so it does feel like massaging stuff. But this also has glycolic acid in it, so you want to make sure that you're taking it slowly, taking it easy. You can see I put on such a small amount, so you don't want to put on a lot. Also, I know the light in this bathroom is pants and everything is orange, so you can't really see what it looks like, but if you want a closer, better look of this face mask, then make sure you check out my previous Banish video because I filmed that in natural daylight so you can see what everything looks like properly on my skin. Okay, I've got 17 minutes left on the clock, so I am basically gonna have something to eat. I think I'll probably also just do my evening skincare routine with you guys because I feel like it's not complete if I don't show you my evening skincare routine, you know what I mean? But yeah, I will see you in 16 minutes. Hi guys, I'm back. So it's 8:30, my alarm literally went off like 2 minutes ago. So I'm actually conflicted between having a shower now or having a shower after I finish taking this off. Like what to do first. Do you know what? I'm gonna have a shower afterwards because it's gonna be like the steam will fill the bathroom and it'll take so long for the steam to go and I just want to finish filming. Sorry guys, as much as I love hanging out with you guys. Right, yes, so my alarm's gone off and the mask has dried down. It's not really wet at all. It feels quite sticky. It almost feels like I'm wearing like a rubber mask on my head. It's completely dried down. I don't know if you can see. The light in this bathroom is absolute trash, so don't worry if you can't see anything. Just check out my previous video to see what it looks like when it's properly on my face. But yeah, the mask has dried down towards the end of the mask. So I think about 10 minutes ago, the tingle got quite intense. So I think next time when I put this on, I probably won't massage it into my face. I'll probably just leave it on my face to do its thing. So I think massaging just makes it just go down a bit deeper and the tingle was strong. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wash off the mask and then when I come back, I'm gonna do my evening skincare routine. But yeah, let me wash this off and then I will be right back for the skincare routine. Face is clean. It's funny because you really can't see a difference because that's, like I said, the light in here is trash, but my face is clean. In my previous video, I used a towel to take off the face mask and today I rinsed it off using water. And I have to say, I think I prefer taking it off with the towel because when I was washing my face, it felt very like... I literally look so sick. Listen guys, it felt very like, I don't know, not a smooth operation at all. So I would definitely recommend, instead of rinsing this off, taking this off with a towel. I think also if you take this off with a towel, you have a better chance of properly removing everything. Like I said in my previous video, somebody left a comment on the Banish page that this mask stained their face. It left them with an orange tint. And because this mask isn't supposed to do that, if you do find yourself with an orange tint, then you just need to keep on rinsing your face. But I think to just save you having to rinse your face a million times, I would just use a soft cloth, a microfiber towel, just something soft to take it off because then it's easier to just take off and it's less like literally the most bizarre thing ever. It's funny because it's like my face is not smooth and I think normally my face feels really smooth after a face mask. My face does not feel smooth. My face feels clean. It feels like my face feels kind of stiff to move, like my hands are not gliding at all. So I'll definitely use a towel next time. But definitely for you guys, if you do use this mask, I would use a towel to take it off instead of just rinsing it off. Okay, so as I've decided, I'm not gonna have a shower just yet. I'm gonna wait until I finish filming the video and then have a shower. But I wanted to quickly run through my current evening skincare routine. I think my evening skincare routine changes. It changes surprisingly often. I know for a couple of months during the summer, RIP summer, for a couple of months during the summer, my skincare routine was literally just the same. But in recent weeks, I've really been mixing it up because I've been trying quite a few new products. So my current evening skincare routine, let me just quickly run through. So as always, gonna start off with my toner. I have my mini toner with me today because my big one has finished. And as you guys know, I'm on a skincare shopping ban, 1 in, 1 out. So once this finishes, then I'm gonna order a new one. But until then, I'm just gonna use this. So I've got my Fresh Rose Floral Toner. And okay, so toner is on, and then next I've got my Banish oil. Guys, I am obsessed with this oil. This oil has L-ascorbic acid and ferulic acid, so you know it's extremely effective. I've really only been using this since, I guess I've been using this since I filmed that video a week and a half ago, and I absolutely love it. I know that I'm going to rebuy this because I love me a vitamin C serum, and the fact that it's got L-ascorbic, which is the most potent and effective form of vitamin C, is just winner. This is $49, so it is $1 off, but if you do want to try this, I have a code. ACNE will give you $5 off £50 or more, so if you want to get this and the ENZYME mask, then the discount code will work. But yeah, I've been using this Banish oil and I really like it. It's really hydrating, and the way my face feels throughout the day, in the morning, in the evening, literally ever since I've been using this, my face has not felt dry. It's like there's a film of moisture and nourishment really protecting my face. Yeah, absolutely love this oil so much. Nice. And even though they call it an oil, it's actually a serum, and yeah, it is extremely hydrating. My face has not felt dry since I put it on, and it's just like, oh, like it feels so good. Like your face will feel amazing after using this, and it gives a really nice glow, which you can't really see because I'm in orange light. But if you watch my previous video, basically guys, just watch my first video and you'll see everything in proper lighting. But the glow it gives is really nice. I really like this. Really hydrating as well. So if you do have dry skin, I would recommend this facial oil serum. It's a serum. Cool, cool, cool. And then next I've got my eye cream. My face feels so good right now, like. And then now for the piece de resistance, hashtag my French guys, I've got my night cream. Okay guys, so that is my full evening skincare routine done. As you can see, my evening skincare routine, I'm only using a couple of the Banish products. I prefer to use them mostly during the day. I love how the Banish products are working with my normal products, so I'm happy. I love how my skin looks. Actually, the light's not that good, but you can see that there is a glow the way the light is hitting. My face feels absolutely amazing, and I wake up every morning and my skin just feels so plump. It feels so good. It feels so nourished, so full of life. And yeah, so guys, I'm gonna leave you here. I'm gonna have a shower and brush my teeth. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions on any of the Banish products, let me know. Make sure you watch my previous Banish video for all the information on Banish and to see the products up close and in proper lighting. Don't forget, I do have a code for you, so if you want to try out any of these products, click the link down below in my description. If you spend over $50 and you use code ACNE, you will get $5 off. Woo! So yeah, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Guys, we are so close to 200 subscribers, and now I'm getting greedy and I'm like, I need 200 subscribers. So if you've got friends, show them this video. Maybe not this video because the lighting's really bad, but show them a video and get them to subscribe. And I guess in the meantime, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.